Nadine Wilkins here, and my topic for today is what is the number one thing that you need to build your business online? So let me ask you a question. What do you think is the number one tool you need to build your business online? See, when I learned this one thing, it was a complete game changer. So I'm going to jump right into it. See, a lot of people believe when you are leveraging the power of the internet to build your business online, that it's all about the tools, it's all about the strategy, it's all about the pretty logo, it's all about the pretty website. And I'm here to tell you that business is 90% mindset and 10% everything else. And I know it's not the sexy thing, right? Like we think it's about the photo shoot. We think it's about the tools, the pretty logo and the website. But I'm here to tell you that business is 90% mindset and 10% everything else. And that 10% of everything else is the strategy, the tools, and everything else. See, ultimately at the end of the day, your mindset is what's going to drive your success. So let me just give you an example. See, most people believe it's the tools and it's the strategy, but that's only 10%. It's your confidence. It's your consistency. It's your persistence. It's your perseverance in taking action and showing up again and again is what's going to build your business long term, because building your business online is completely different than offline, right? Like you're dealing with so many different variables and so many different things that you probably want to deal with. Listen, people online can be very brutal, right? They can have whatever comments and easy to say certain things that you normally wouldn't even say if you're face to face. But when you're online, everybody's tough, right? Like everybody has an opinion. But when you decide to play the game full out, know that you are going to meet people who are not going to like what it is that you're doing, or you're going to meet people who are not going to support what it is that you're doing. And if your mindset isn't right, you will crumble, okay? You will doubt what it is that you're doing. You may not feel there's a huge need. You may even feel imposter syndrome. These are all things that will come up on your journey as you're building your business online. But when your mindset is right, and when you're doing the things that you should be doing, at the end of the day, no, there's nothing that anyone can say to you that will stop you from doing what it is that you set out to do. So at the end of the day, the most powerful tool that you have is in business and also in leadership is your mindset and your own personal example. So that is my message for today. If you're at the point where you want to leverage the power of the internet to build your business, but at this point it's been so super complicated, overly complicated, and you've been looking for a way for you to do that, please check out my new case study video. I share 3 strategies that you can implement in your business right away. You can check it out. Go to my website, workwithnadine.com, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care and God bless.